Who the heck doesn't love pizza? To make it at home, it's super fun, it's really easy, and you can replace a lot of the ingredients I use with ones that you would prefer, whether it's the oil, the sweetener, or the flour. I personally use whole wheat flour, but you use anything from gluten-free to almond flour. It's really up to you. The dough and the sauce happen to be vegan, which is cool, but if you're an animal consumer, feel free to throw in that meat and cheese. It doesn't frickin' matter. It's why I love pizza. You can make it for anyone and they'll be happy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Let's get started.